How to fix YouTube Shorts audio delay issue. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix YouTube Shorts audio delay issue. So before we begin, if you're new here, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's jump right into it. To fix YouTube Shorts audio delay, first check your internet connection. So make sure that you're connected to the internet. You can switch between your mobile data as well. Just be sure you have a good and stable connection. After that, you will need to clear out the app's cache. For that, go to your settings. On your settings, search for apps. On your apps, go to YouTube. Then select the storage and cache option. Then simply tap on clear cache. Clear out your cache, and if you want you can clear out your storage as well, but that will require you to sign in after. So do that, and after that you'll need to update everything. So go to your settings, go to your Google Play Store, search for YouTube. If you see an update button for YouTube, update the YouTube to the latest version. And yeah, at the end, finally restart your device. Press on the volume up and power button together and restart your device. And after you've restarted it, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.